mega mock drill on earthquake preparation at 55 locations of Delhi. This is news coming in from the Ramlila ground. The situation given for this mock drill is that a 6.8 magnitude earthquake has struck Delhi NCR. These are the details we have so far of the very mock drill that's taking place. And we have Kumar Kunal joining us. Shreya Chatterjee, I beg your pardon, joining us at this given point. We have in fact both our colleagues to take us through these very developments in terms of what exactly is this mock drill all about and how it's proceeding. I'll come to you, Kumar, first. What more details are we picking up in terms of the mock drill that's currently taking place? I can see the officers lined up behind you at this point. Take us through what's happening there.
I can show you the visuals first, that how different teams, those teams which are from Delhi Police, NDRF, Delhi Disaster Management Authority and even medical teams, they have gathered here at Ramlila ground in anticipation that there is a 6.8 magnitude earthquake in Delhi, and that's why all these preparations are taking place. You must be knowing that Delhi falls in seismic zone 4 and hence it is very much vulnerable for the disaster-like earthquake, and that's why this mega mock drill is happening at 55 locations of Delhi right now simultaneously. All these things, and I can show you that how all the senior officials from district, including district magistrate, they are also holding charge here, and they are actually giving instructions to all the teams that how the things will happen. I am being joined by Mr. Sudhakar, who is district magistrate here. So he is actually busy in giving instructions to all the teams. So this is one of the major exercises by the Delhi government and central government, Delhi police as well, to actually prevent any kind of damage from any kind of disaster activities, including earthquake and other disasters as well. So this will take place in each and every area, and this is the situation right now here at Ramlila ground, where instructions
we can see the visuals. Kumar, thank you for bringing us all those information. Stay with us. Let me also quickly bring in Shreya into the conversation here. Shreya, Delhi NCR, this region falls under seismic zone 4. So these mock drills come in at quite a crucial time. Only a few days ago, we had seen a massive earthquake hit Delhi NCR, and much required mock drills that we are witnessing in the national capital.
Absolutely, and this is extremely important. The reason so, because Delhi does fall on the seismic zone 4. We are right now at RML Hospital, and you can see, because the announcement has been made that this has been an earthquake, which is a 6.8 Richter scale, and after that, this is a hospital premise where there is a preparedness going on. What you can see right now, the DFS vehicle is finding a little difficulty to enter the RML hospital. These are the reasons we need a mock drill for, because you will understand that whether there is any kind of roadblocks when it needs to communication, when it needs to response time. These are the things which will be noted down so that when there will be a real earthquake, the response time and the communication can be improved, especially in places like hospitals like where I'm right now in RML, where there are a lot of active patient flows. It is extremely important to underline the communication by multiple agencies. You can see civil defense on the ground, you can see fire services on the ground, you can see Delhi police on the ground, all the people together. They are working right now to actually measure the response time. In RML, 16 people have been stuck right now who are being taken out.
Right. It's a thorough mock drill that we are witnessing in the national capital. Shreya and Kumar, thank you for joining us and taking us through those ground reports as to what exactly is happening in terms of how the entire mock drill is being executed.